Some people around the world hear a sound that nobody else can hear. It's called the hum, a deep vibrating noise that seems to come from nowhere. People describe it as a low engine-like sound that never stops. But the strange part is, most people can't hear it at all. Scientists investigated the phenomenon, but they still haven't found a clear explanation. The hum has been reported in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. So the question is, what is making this mysterious sound?
Subscribe for more shocking updates.